months before. He didn't want to.
Well, until now, he didn't have a reason to.
You belong there.
It's me, Bud.
Syphilis has the light fury now. He's probably not even coming back.
I can't pretend. I can't.
I want him to be happy. And besides, it's just until he brings her back.
Toothless. It's me. I'm right here, Bud. Come back to me. Remember me? I'm not the chief that you wanted me to be. It wasn't your fault, Bud. I'm not the peacekeeper I thought I was. They made you do it. Would have been better for everyone.
So why didn't you? Why didn't you?
I don't know. You. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon. You're my best
You gave him
friend,
his
Bud.
freedom, Hiccup. What were you expecting?
I don't know. I couldn't.
I can't pretend. I can't.